Hi, I'm Jimren Lopez and I am from grade 12 STEM A. I will share to you what I've learned in the subject of CPAR in the first grading period. Let's go.
초콜릿은 달콤해 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 오렌지는 상큼해 상큼해 상큼해.
Here are the two topics that I will share to you. The first one is the subject of art, and the second one is the element of art. Subject of art. To create your own contemporary piece, you must fully understand what makes an artwork a true work of art. You must first explore the subject of art, and every work of art has a subject. What are those subjects of art that we need to understand? Generally speaking, a subject or topic is any person, animal, things, or issue that describe or represented in a work. Everything under the sun is considered as a subject in the arts, from the simple idea or an object to the most complicated ones like philosophical thoughts or dreamscapes. So here are the different forms of art. The first one is realism. The subject is done the way it actually looks. Realism in the arts, the accurate, detailed, and embellished depiction of nature or of contemporary life. Realisms reject imaginative idealization in favor of close observation of outward appearance. The second was distortion. The artist used his or her imagination and altered the subject according to his or her desire. The distortion is any change made by an artist to the size, shape, or visual character of a form to express an idea, convey a feeling, or enhance visual impact. The third one was the abstraction. Abstraction, the artist breaks apart the subject and rearrange it in a different manner. Abstract art is an art that does not attempt to represent an accurate depiction of a visual reality, but instead use shapes, colors, forms, and gestural marks to achieve its effect. The last one was the non-objectivism. In this subject of art, there is totally no subject of art, just interplay of pure elements like line, shape, or color, and so on. So here now in the second topic, which is the elements of art. The example of elements of art that are given are space, line, shape and form, color, value, and texture. What is space? Space in the visual arts can define as void, an emptiness which can either be positive or negative. The positive space refers to a space enclosed in a shape, while the negative space denotes the opposite. In other art forms, space can be referred to as an interval or pause. In literature, it is the pause between words, whereas in music, it is the interval between notes. The second one was line. Line is the extension of a point, a short or long mark drawn or curved on surface. It is an implied path suggesting. In literary arts or performing arts, line refers to the script of an actor or actress. In dance, it is a series of steps. The third one was the shape and form. When the ends of line meets, they form a shape. Shape can also be described as a figure separate from its surrounding area or background. It can either be geometric, angular, or organic, which is the curving. Shape is two-dimensional, while form is three-dimensional. The fourth one, color. Probably the most striking art element that catches the eye is color. It is a sensation created by visible wavelengths of light called a precision. It is a mixture of organic or synthetic substances called pigments used as paint or dye. Color creates a mood or tone, such as red for passion, anger or love, blue for peace, nobility, and etc. The fifth one, which is the value. In visual arts, value is the degree of lightness and darkness of a color. In music, it is called pitch, which is the highness or lowness of the tone. The tone color or timbre refers tone, the quality of the sound. And lastly, the texture. Texture is the surface of an artwork. A texture can be an actual or tactile, meaning it can really be felt by touch, or it can be simulated or illusory, which means it can only be seen, not felt. In music or writing, texture is the quality or style of composition. So now you know what is the subject of art and elements of art. I hope you have learned a lot. Thank you for watching.